the movie, how about we make some candy-colored popcorn?
Sounds yummy, Troy.
Let's go! Okay guys, to make candy-colored popcorn, you need water, sugar, butter, food coloring, and popcorn.
Yeah, but Troy, where is the popcorn?
Follow me, Isaac. Isaac, look at this cool popcorn machine.
Whoa, cool!
Okay, Isaac, let's make some popcorn.
Yeah!
Kids, make sure you have an adult supervising you when you're operating popcorn machine. First, let's put the oil. Now the kernels. Now let's close it and turn it on. Alright, now let's wait and watch the kernels pop. Oh, I can see it. Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Alright guys, our popcorn is ready. Now let's put some in the bowl. Now that we have our popcorn, it's time to make the syrup. Alright kids, make sure that you have an adult with you when you do this. First you have to put the sugar. Now the water. And some butter.
Now let's stir it.
Alright, I think it's done now. Now let's wait for it to cool down. Alright, now that our syrup is ready, let's put the color. The first color is green. The next color is blue.
I'm gonna make orange. Now yellow.
Whoa. Now let's mix it with the popcorn. Ooh! Whoa!
Look guys, our popcorns are ready and it looks so good.
Yeah! Alright, now let's scoop some up for the movie. Here you go, Isaac. Whoa.
Look at these colorful popcorns. Now we're ready for a movie, Troy.
Yeah! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed making this candy-colored popcorn with us. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Let's go!